Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This cozy, exquisite, and uniquely designed two-story house is being sold partially furnished. It consists of 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms of a floor size of approximately 2,900 square feet. It is conveniently located in the middle to upper income community of Llandilo. It is close to supermarkets, schools, hospitals, and banks. The white sand beaches in Negril is just about 30 minutes away, and the airport is within 1 hour and 15 minutes. The house sits on a level rectangular corner lot of 8,653 square feet. The property is enclosed with part concrete wall, chain link, metal grill fencing, and electronic gate. There are AC units, awnings, solar water heater, water tank, water pump, satellite dish, and a camera security system, double carport, utility room, half bathroom, and a pool. Beyond the electronic gate, you will be greeted with fruit trees, lush ornamental and potted plants surrounding the well-maintained pool and a gazebo for family and friends to enjoy. The large hardwood double door is the entryway to an open floor concept living, dining, and kitchen. A bedroom and bathroom are downstairs. 3 bedrooms, a living area, study, and veranda are upstairs. Make your offer today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 45 million or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.